On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram try again later. Hello guys, so first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and now click on this click on the Instagram right here. You have to search for it. It will take you to the app information here. Click on this option here in the top and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then you have to make sure to go into the data usage and make sure everything is enabled right here, and then go to the settings again on your phone. Open the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it for 10 seconds and enable it back. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to change the network that you are connected to, or you have to just try to restart the Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like, subscribe.